how to change Pixel 10 Pro screen resolution. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. By default, Pixel 10 Pro doesn't show full resolution, so you can change that easily by going to settings. So if you just swipe it down and click on here, the settings, and then here if you search for Reso, R-E-S-O, and then here you're going to see a few options. So we're going to click on screen resolution, display and touch. So if you click on here, then you can see that you're getting the highlights right here. So if you click on here, then by default it's going to show high resolution 1080 by 2410. So all you have to do is just change it to max resolution 1280 by 2850. Now you're going to see that message that this max resolution uses more of the battery and it may cause some apps to restart. However, the battery uses is very minimal. You're not going to feel anything, but you're going to have much better picture quality when you choose it to max resolution. And that's all you have to do. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.